Welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, where we explore the latest advancements in technology and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll dive deep into Filecoin, a revolutionary project that aims to transform the way we store and retrieve data. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of Filecoin, its underlying technology, and its potential impact on the world. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Introduction to Filecoin. Filecoin operates on the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a distributed file system that aims to create a more resilient and efficient internet. Unlike traditional storage systems that rely on centralized servers, IPFS uses a decentralized approach, where files are broken down into smaller chunks and distributed across multiple nodes in the network. This unique architecture provides several advantages. First, it improves data availability and redundancy. Since files are distributed across multiple nodes, even if one node goes offline, the data remains accessible through other nodes in the network. This greatly enhances the durability and reliability of stored data. Second, IPFS utilizes content addressing, where files are identified by their content rather than their location. Each file is assigned a unique cryptographic hash based on its content. This means that even if the file is moved or replicated, its hash remains the same. It enables efficient content delivery and ensures that once a file is uploaded to the network, it can be easily retrieved using its hash, regardless of its location. Now, let's dive deeper into how Filecoin leverages the IPFS infrastructure. On the Filecoin network, users can either store their own data or rent out their unused storage space to others. This creates a decentralized marketplace for storage, where users who need storage can find providers who have available space. When a user wants to store a file on Filecoin, it gets divided into smaller pieces called Filecoin sectors. These sectors are encrypted, and redundancy is added by creating multiple copies of each sector. The encrypted sectors are then distributed across different storage miners in the network. Miners compete to offer storage space by submitting storage proofs, proving that they are reliably storing the data. To incentivize miners and ensure the integrity of stored data, Filecoin utilizes a unique consensus mechanism called Proof of Replication, POREP, and Proof of Spacetime, POST. POREP ensures that miners are genuinely replicating the data they claim to store, and POST verifies that the data is continuously being kept available over time. In return for providing storage space and participating in the network, miners are rewarded with Filecoin tokens. The amount of Filecoin a miner earns depends on factors such as the amount of storage provided, the duration of storage, and the demand for storage on the network. This incentivizes miners to contribute their resources, thus creating a robust and decentralized storage ecosystem. Filecoin's combination of IPFS, POREP, POST, and its native cryptocurrency, Filecoin, has garnered significant attention in the tech and crypto communities. It offers a promising solution to the challenges of traditional centralized storage systems, providing users with secure, reliable, and decentralized storage options. As Filecoin continues to grow and evolve, it has the potential to disrupt various industries, from data storage and cloud computing to content delivery and long-term archiving. Its underlying technology, combined with the power of blockchain, opens up new possibilities for data ownership, privacy, and control. How Filecoin works. Filecoin's unique system, consisting of Proof of Replication, POREP, and Proof of Spacetime, POST, plays a crucial role in maintaining data integrity and incentivizing miners to participate in the network. Proof of Replication, POREP, requires miners to prove that they have genuinely replicated clients' data as claimed. When a miner receives a client's data, they generate replicas of the data across their storage devices. These replicas undergo a series of cryptographic operations to ensure that they are unique and faithfully represent the original data. The POREP process involves creating a proof that demonstrates the existence and uniqueness of these replicas without revealing the actual data. This proof is then submitted to the network, where it undergoes verification by other miners. This verification process ensures that the miner has indeed replicated the data correctly and has not taken any shortcuts. Miners must periodically update their proofs to maintain data integrity. Proof of spacetime, POST, is another critical component of Filecoin's system. POST ensures that miners are continuously storing the data they claim to store over time. It prevents miners from claiming storage rewards without genuinely keeping the data available. To prove their ongoing storage, miners must perform a series of verifiable computations over their stored data at regular intervals. These computations provide evidence that the miner has allocated a significant amount of storage space for the network and has maintained the data in a retrievable state. The combination of POREP and POST in Filecoin's system creates a strong assurance that miners are storing clients' data correctly and reliably. It prevents malicious actors from entering the network and provides clients with confidence in the security and availability of their stored data. This system serves as an incentivization mechanism for miners. By participating in the network and successfully proving their replication and spacetime commitments, miners become eligible to earn Filecoin tokens as rewards. The more storage capacity a miner contributes and the longer they maintain it, the greater their potential rewards. This incentivizes miners to allocate resources, maintain high-quality storage services, and actively participate in the Filecoin ecosystem. Filecoin's proof of replication and proof of spacetime system ensures data integrity by verifying that miners are genuinely replicating and continuously storing clients' data. It creates a reliable and secure storage network while providing incentives for miners to actively contribute to the network's growth and sustainability. Mining Filecoin. If you're interested in mining Filecoin, there are several requirements and considerations you should keep in mind before getting started. Mining Filecoin involves setting up specialized mining rigs that are optimized for storing and retrieving data on the network. One of the primary requirements is having a significant amount of storage capacity to contribute to the Filecoin network. The more storage capacity you provide, the more opportunities you have to earn Filecoin rewards. It's important to note that the Filecoin network operates on a competitive basis, meaning that miners with larger storage capacities have a higher chance of earning rewards compared to those with smaller capacities. Setting up a mining rig for Filecoin also requires powerful hardware components. You'll need to invest in high-capacity hard drives or solid-state drives, SSDs, that can accommodate the storage demands of the network. Additionally, you'll need a reliable and efficient computer system to handle the mining operations and network communication. It's crucial to consider the costs associated with mining Filecoin. Hardware costs can be significant, especially if you're aiming to build a sizable mining rig with multiple high-capacity drives. You'll also need to factor in the costs of electricity consumption, as running mining rigs can be energy-intensive. It's advisable to calculate the potential profitability and weigh it against the expenses involved to determine if mining Filecoin is financially viable for you. Network demand is another aspect to consider. The demand for storage on the Filecoin network can fluctuate over time, impacting the potential rewards you can earn. It's essential to stay updated on the network's dynamics, user demand, and market trends to make informed decisions about your mining operations. Before diving into mining, it's beneficial to research and stay informed about the latest developments, mining strategies, and best practices. Engaging with the Filecoin community, participating in forums, and learning from experienced miners can provide valuable insights and guidance for a successful mining experience. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that mining Filecoin requires continuous maintenance and monitoring of your mining rig. This includes ensuring the proper functioning of hardware components, regularly updating software, and staying vigilant against potential security risks. Mining Filecoin requires specialized mining rigs, significant storage capacity, powerful hardware components, and careful consideration of costs, electricity consumption, and network demand. It's important to conduct thorough research and evaluate the feasibility and profitability of mining Filecoin based on your resources, investment capabilities, and market conditions. Storing and retrieving data on Filecoin. One of the key features of Filecoin is its decentralized storage approach. When you upload a file to Filecoin, it undergoes a process called sharding. This means that the file is divided into smaller pieces, often referred to as shards or chunks. These shards are then distributed across multiple nodes in the Filecoin network. By distributing the file across multiple nodes, Filecoin ensures redundancy and data durability. Even if a few nodes go offline or experience failures, the data remains accessible through other nodes that store the same file shards. This redundancy significantly reduces the risk of data loss or unavailability, making Filecoin a robust and reliable storage solution. When it comes to retrieving data from Filecoin, the process involves paying a small fee to the miners who store the data. These miners have dedicated their storage resources to the Filecoin network and are responsible for keeping the data available for retrieval. The fee acts as an incentive for miners to provide reliable and fast retrieval services. The retrieval fee is determined by a market-driven mechanism. The market dynamics of supply and demand influence the price miners can charge for retrieving data. Factors such as the size of the file, the urgency of retrieval, and the availability of the data on different nodes can impact the fee. The market-driven ecosystem ensures that users have access to efficient retrieval services while incentivizing miners to continue providing storage and retrieval capabilities. The payment for data retrieval is typically made in Filecoin tokens, creating a self-sustaining economy within the Filecoin network. Users who require their data can pay the retrieval fee to the miners, who are then rewarded for their storage and retrieval services. This market-driven approach benefits both data owners and miners. Data owners can securely store their data in a decentralized manner, knowing that it is redundantly distributed across the network. Additionally, they have the flexibility to retrieve their data when needed by paying a reasonable fee. On the other hand, miners can earn Filecoin rewards by providing reliable storage and efficient retrieval services, encouraging their continued participation in the network. By combining decentralized storage, data redundancy, and a market-driven retrieval system, Filecoin creates an ecosystem where users can securely store and retrieve their data while incentivizing miners to contribute their resources. This decentralized and market-oriented approach sets Filecoin apart as a promising solution for data storage and retrieval in the digital age. Filecoin's potential impact. The potential impact of Filecoin reaches far beyond its role as a decentralized storage network. Its secure, decentralized, and cost-effective solution for data storage has the potential to revolutionize various industries and empower individuals and organizations in several ways. Firstly, Filecoin offers enhanced security and data integrity. By leveraging blockchain technology and decentralized storage, Filecoin mitigates the risks associated with traditional centralized storage systems. The redundancy and distribution of data across multiple nodes ensure that data remains accessible even in the face of node failures or malicious attacks. This heightened level of security is particularly valuable for businesses and organizations that deal with sensitive or valuable data, such as financial institutions, healthcare providers, and intellectual property holders. Secondly, Filecoin's decentralized storage model gives individuals and organizations greater control over their own data. With traditional centralized storage, data ownership and control often reside with the service provider. In contrast, Filecoin allows users to store their data in a decentralized manner, meaning they retain ownership and have direct control over how and where their data is stored. This empowers individuals and organizations to manage their data according to their specific needs, preferences, and compliance requirements. Moreover, Filecoin's cost-effectiveness is a significant advantage for businesses and content creators. Traditional cloud storage services can be costly, especially as data volumes increase. Filecoin's marketplace model enables users to find storage providers who offer competitive prices, fostering a cost-efficient ecosystem. Additionally, the ability to customize storage plans based on individual requirements allows users to optimize their storage costs and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Furthermore, the long-term archiving potential of Filecoin is noteworthy. With the increasing digitalization of information, preserving and archiving data for extended periods is becoming increasingly critical. Filecoin's decentralized storage, combined with its redundancy mechanisms, can provide a reliable and durable solution for long-term data archiving. This is particularly valuable for industries that require long-term data retention, such as scientific research, historical archives, and legal documentation. Overall, Filecoin's blockchain-based infrastructure and decentralized storage system have the potential to revolutionize industries by offering enhanced security, data control, cost-effectiveness, and long-term archiving capabilities. By giving individuals and organizations greater control over their data, Filecoin empowers them to navigate the digital landscape with confidence and ensures that their data remains accessible, secure, and under their direct control. Challenges and future developments. As with any emerging technology, Filecoin faces its share of challenges, particularly in the areas of scalability and adoption. These challenges are not unique to Filecoin but are common in the development and growth of decentralized systems. However, the Filecoin team is actively working on addressing these challenges to make decentralized storage more accessible to a wider audience. Scalability is a significant concern for any decentralized network, including Filecoin. As the network expands and more users join, the demand for storage and retrieval services increases. Ensuring that the network can handle the growing volume of data and transactions is crucial for its long-term success. The Filecoin team recognizes this challenge and is dedicated to ongoing research and development to improve the scalability of the network. They are exploring various strategies such as optimizing protocols, enhancing storage algorithms, and implementing network upgrades to accommodate the increasing demand and achieve greater scalability. Another challenge is adoption. Despite the significant advantages of decentralized storage, widespread adoption is still a work in progress. The concept of decentralized storage and blockchain technology can be complex for average users to grasp and integrate into their existing workflows. Moreover, established centralized storage providers have a strong presence in the market, making it challenging for new entrants like Filecoin to gain traction. To tackle this challenge, the Filecoin team is actively promoting education and awareness about the benefits of decentralized storage. They are also fostering collaborations with developers, businesses, and content creators to explore use cases and develop user-friendly applications that leverage the Filecoin network. By making decentralized storage more accessible, user-friendly, and compatible with existing systems, Filecoin aims to encourage wider adoption and bring the benefits of decentralized storage to the masses. It's important to highlight that challenges are an inherent part of any technology's evolution. The Filecoin team's commitment to ongoing improvements, research collaborations, and community engagement is a positive sign that they are actively addressing the challenges they face. By continuously refining the technology, enhancing scalability, and driving adoption, Filecoin aims to position itself as a leading decentralized storage solution that can benefit individuals, businesses, and various industries. While Filecoin faces challenges in terms of scalability and adoption, its development team is dedicated to addressing these issues and making decentralized storage more accessible to a wider audience. Through ongoing improvements, collaborations, and educational efforts, Filecoin strives to realize its potential and bring the benefits of decentralized storage to the forefront of the digital landscape. Conclusion and call to action. And that wraps up our in-depth exploration of Filecoin, a truly revolutionary platform in the realm of decentralized storage. We've delved into its technology, mining process, data storage mechanisms, and potential impact across various industries. Whether you're a technology enthusiast, a prospective miner, or someone seeking secure and reliable storage solutions, Filecoin offers exciting possibilities. If you found this video insightful and valuable, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please take a moment to hit the like button below and share this video with others who might benefit from learning about Filecoin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos where we explore more exciting topics and delve into the latest developments in the world of technology. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative and engaging content in the future.